Hi. What are you doing? Out here walking. I can't. I gotta walk. Say bye? Are you guys going home?
Yeah. We've been out and she doesn't have any diapers and she needs a change.
Dork. Alright.
She just wanted to see him before we left. And I was like, I don't know where he's at.
Okay. My babies. Sometimes you gotta do a rain walk, guys. It's pretty out. Been raining all day. Sometimes you got to do what you gotta do. See my babies. Ready? My babies. My babies. Very late start today. Of course, as everybody knows, in the whole entire world. Had to go to Jackson, Tennessee today. Go to the chiropractor. Went to a couple stores while I was there. Got home. Ate. Been messing around with some video that I shot of the chiropractor and my little trip there. Then I just got off the bike from spinning for 30 minutes and now I'm out here walking and that takes 35 minutes. Well, add a couple more minutes now that I had to stop for my babies. My babies. And so here we are. Alright guys, have a good day. Don't forget, get up, get out, get rad, and do it to it. That makes no sense with this glove on, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean. The body beat down. The body beat down.